In this procedure, we will replace the motor on a towable bi-rotational power unit for the hydraulic level-up system. The tools needed for this procedure are an electric drill, appropriate bit, 5/16 inch socket, and a 1/2 inch wrench. First, we will need to remove the wires at the motor coming from the solenoid. After that, we remove the mounting bolts attaching the motor to the pump. Now we can remove the motor. Make sure to wipe away any excess grease. Insert the motor drive shaft into the pump opening. Insert new motor into pump and install with the mounting bolts. Reconnect the wires at the motor coming from the solenoid. This completes the procedure for replacing the motor on a towable bi-rotational power unit for the hydraulic level-up system.